factor tree of 428. So 428, it can be written as 2 times 214. 2 times 214 mean 428. 214, it can be written as 2 times 107. 2 times 107 mean 214. So now we select the prime numbers among all these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2, 2 and 107. So we can write 428 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times these 2 times this 107. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.